We are in-house branding. Our core product is glass sublimation. We do a lot of blankets, towels, we do bedding, anything that is generally under the home decor category, we specialize in. Myself and Julia both had our own companies separately from each other, and we had the opportunity to join forces and really become a lot stronger.
Yes, I had the opportunity to invest in an AM printer and roll press, and now we can do things ourselves. There's no need to outsource it anymore.
The GAPP Awards, yes, what an amazing experience. This really opened our eyes to the industry, to have a look at the standard available and see how we could fit in and if we could even compete.
It was very exciting to get all dressed up and be part of such a glamorous evening. The organisers and the other award winners really went all out to make it a fantastic evening.
Please put your hands together and welcome on stage incomparable Leanne Manus.
4 years we've been waiting for this night. Damn it, we better make it count. We're here to celebrate the work, the exceptional work that is done in the printing, signage and packaging sector. This, of course, is the most prestigious award ceremony for this industry, where tonight's winners are recognized as being the pinnacle of excellence in the Southern African region, which I think is amazing, and the size of this award ceremony is absolutely beautiful.
We were approached by Vikesh himself. We'd only been in the industry for less than a year, and I must say we were pretty hesitant to enter, as we weren't sure how we'd fit in or were we even producing the correct quality. Vikesh was very impressed with what we were doing at the time, and he said, look, it's either now or wait another 2 years. I think that's what twisted our arm a little bit to enter now. We had a week to prepare and submitted our entries, and yeah, the rest is history. We got an email saying that we'd been shortlisted, and we were off to the awards.
We've been to a few shows and expos. We've seen what machinery is available. We really thought we were under-equipped, and yes, we didn't know what to expect.
Yes, it was a bit overwhelming when you see what is available, but let me tell you, it's a feather in AM's cap, the fact that with the right attention to detail and operating the machine correctly, you can produce high quality product. There's no doubt in my mind that we can compete with the best of the guys out there. We might not be able to produce the volume at the moment, but I would go head to head with anybody in the industry. tonight, when you're at the show, when you're at the prize giving, it's really an incredible evening, and everybody there's a winner. Everyone's shortlisted, everyone's won some sort of award, and everybody's products on display. You can see how much effort they've put into it, and you feel so proud to have your product listed amongst them, and it's such a great feeling to hear your name called out on stage when you, a couple of months ago, didn't even want to enter the competition.
And the gold award goes to Akani 3D for 3D printed pocket knife. Well done. And the gold award goes to Typo Color Printing Specialists for People Impact Purpose Discovery Book. And the gold award goes to Minute Print Holdings Pretoria for the Vodacom CEO Awards Iconic Program. Well done again, guys.
You don't know what award you're going to get, whether it's gold, silver or bronze. The anticipation, and it heightens the celebration of the evening.
In the large format interior decor category, winning achiever awards are presented to Chirino Printers for Lion Blanket and in-house branding for Tiger Blanket. The bronze award goes to Mariah Plastics for Samsung Type-C plinth display for mobile. The silver award goes to in-house branding for Macaw Scatter Cushion.
And the gold award goes to Sharpline Graphics for Jamie Underwood, Base and Cupboard. Congratulations.
Really invigorating. You now know what you want to do. You've seen what categories are available and how you can enter and how you can enter product that might even cover more than one category. We are really excited about our next entries for 2024. Now that we've seen what's out there, we've seen the categories we can enter, we're now excited to take product and to enter even the innovation categories where we maybe even combine two disciplines. We want to enter more categories. We want to hear our name not just twice. We want to hear our name 5, 6, 7 times at the awards. We want to put ourselves out there so that we can really bring in more recognition and also fuel our passion. This is really the industry's opportunity to celebrate the industry, and we're so excited with just a 3-man business that we can compete. Look out for us in 2024.
I was surprised to see we were the only AM clients there. I'm sure there are hundreds of them that could enter and do well at this type of thing. Don't you think?
Oh, definitely. AM's client base is so diverse and the categories are so open to this type of work, and I would strongly suggest that the guys who are interested in this just contact the GAPP Awards. They're well published, they're easy to find, they have a step-by-step process to enter, find out what categories you can enter. The guys will assist you, they'll tell you what it costs to enter, the parameters. It's so basic. They're such a good organization, you really won't battle to enter. They'll assist you all the way.